Hey, oh hey, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making the ultimate fluffy slime. And if you're new to my channel, hello. And be sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a slime video or a DIY video like this. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you have any idea for what I should DIY next, nail art, anything, please be sure to comment down below. And let's just get right on to this. You need will be a big pot to mix in, contact solution to make it slime. You're going to need shaving cream to make it fluffy. You're going to need glue. I don't know what this does, but if you do, please tell me in the comments because I don't know. And a spoon, so you don't have to use your hands. A spoon, so you don't have to use your hands. And then this basically just makes it stretchy. This is Japanese Cherry Blossom Hand Lotion. I got this from Bath & Body Works. And yeah, so that is basically it. I might be adding food coloring at the end, but we'll see. So now, let's just get started. The first thing I'm going to add, and a pot to mix it up. So the first thing I'm going to add is just some Office Works regular school glue. And this, you can also use Elmer's glue or any PVA glue. That's what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to open this up. And so now I'm just going to dump. Oh, sorry, my hand's covering it. I'm just going to dump 1 bottle of slime in here. Hashtag glue fart. Oh, look at the bubble. Look at it. Look at it. It's so glorious. Oh no, it popped. Pop it. Pop it. Oh my god, now it's just making it bigger. Ah, this is really cool. Hashtag glue fart. This is awesome. I love this. I love it so much. And, yep, so I'm going to come back once all these little drizzles come off. Glue. Now, I filled up the glue container halfway with just regular faucet water. Ugh, nice. Much glue everywhere. And then, just going to get that little, shaky, shaky. And then just pour that in. It looks like vomit. Ugh, trust me, you guys do not want to see this. Now, I'm just going to mix it. And this looks so weird. Look at this, guys. It's so weird. Hashtag vomit. Ugh. Okay, now we're going to add in some hand lotion. So glue's gone, hand lotion in. So basically you're just going to put about just like this. Just like this. And done. Just like that. Not much. So, this is what it looks like right now. I'm going to try to show you. It's spilled. Guys, it's spilled. No, I'm so unhappy right now. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to add in, I really hope this doesn't fall again. Now we're going to add in our shaving cream. And then mix. And so basically this is not a cooking show. There are no exact measurements. Slime is just basically, you go with it. And I need a little bit more. Just a little bit. After all, this is fluffy slime. My dad got a new bottle and he said I could just use up the rest of this. So, let's see. My dad was at the store today while I was cleaning my room and he got a new bottle of shaving cream and now I can just use up all this. The consistency should be kind of thick, kind of like that. Just like that. And then we're going to add in our contact solution. Now this should, it's supposed to, it's working! My life is so satisfying. Don't judge me. This is freaking awesome. Just a little bit more. This is freaking awesome. Okay, now I have to do some footage on this because this is amazing. Okay, guys, look at this. Look at this. It's like, it's sliming. Oh my god, I love it. Contact solution. A little bit more because it's supposed to be non-sticky. Guys, by the way, don't do the borax one because I wasted a whole lot of glue last time. I tried to do like a jumbo one and it did not turn out. I was going to make it into a YouTube video and it did not work. So use this. Use this, dudes. Use this. I'm going to add in some more shaving cream because I think this is stretchy enough. This is the fluffy slime that we made today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to comment down below what you think I should do next. And I will leave a link to all of the ingredients and everything I used down in the description box below. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button so you never miss another video just like this one. Thanks for watching. Bye!